Today started out by watering these 6 veggie beds here in the kitchen garden with the soaker hoses while I was sitting on the deck and reading, eating breakfast, editing my last video. Now I'm going to use the watering wand here to water this bed and all the containers, anything else that needs some water.
The Dramm watering wand makes it easy for me to water properly without a lot of bending over. You want to water the soil around the base of the plant so it gets down to the roots. You don't want to water the leaves. That's especially important with these tomato plants that are behind all of the eggplant and pepper containers on my driveway.
I try to do other things at the same time, like pull out weeds and snip off the basil. Another thing that I like to do when I'm out here watering the garden is to give the tomato plants a little bit of a shake. They're self-pollinating, so this sort of mimics the motion that a bumblebee might make to shake the pollen down in the flowers, and I get more fruit that way. For more tips and information, check out the watering tips blog post on my website and/or watch the video of my watering routine on YouTube. Thanks for following.